I want to open it.
Drink? I know you're looking forward to that. Hi guys! So I was actually humming and hawing on how I should start this video, but you know what? I'm started like this. I have here, you guys, look, an ostrich egg. Have you guys seen one of these before? It's like literally the size of my face. I say that all the time, but this is actually the size of my face. This this one giant egg is equivalent to 24 regular chicken eggs. So yeah, and it's been in the fridge for about 5 days now because I did a video on the first one on my ASMR channel, and that was like a lot of eggs. So I didn't even think I was going to do this video because I mean, I don't know, I didn't feel like having eggs. Anyway, so this one is uncooked. Today I'm actually gonna do something different. I'm not gonna hard boil it. I'm going to fry it and see how it's gonna turn out. I haven't had lunch yet, so this is going to be my lunch, and I'm gonna have it with toast and avocado and all that good stuff. So let's try and crack this baby open. I'm so scared because the membrane and the shell is like a toony thick. So I have this, and I've looked up YouTube videos, so fingers crossed. I just hope that it doesn't like crack. Oh gosh, okay, let's try this. So I just want to show you guys how thick it is, and like you can see the membrane is like super thick. Like, look, it's cracked, but I can't really totally, like, I just want to show you how thick. I'm so scared because there's like a crack there already. Oh, and on this side too, like look on that side. Look how thick that is, like on this side right there. I think I have to be careful now, like super careful. It's like, I'm so scared that it's gonna like just blah right onto my lap. Let's see. I want to open it. It's leaking, you guys. See right there, I broke it right there. So I guess I can just rip this now and then try and pour it into this giant. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh. Yeah, my goal was to not break the yolk, obviously. Are you ready? What? How crazy. Oh, I kind of did break the yolk, but it's still in one piece. Okay, so look at that. 24 eggs in here. So, I hope I have a big enough pan. So let's go. I'm gonna cook it on the stove because my portable, what do you call that? My portable stove is not hot enough. So Wow, you guys. It's ready. Come and get your eggs. Oh my god, I can't wait to try this. Well, I mean, it's gonna be good anyway. I got some cheese toast. Put some avocado spread on there. Oh yeah. Hot sauce. Cause I need a hot sauce. I'll just stay on this side. Let's see. It's a little bit more cooked than I like. I don't want to use a knife because this is a non-stick pan. Oh, so good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So yeah, guys, I did this other video for my channel, the hard boil one. That one was really good too. I guess this is almost like it, but wow. Oh yeah, hot sauce is like a kicker. Oh, there you go. I can use the bread like, ow, it's hot. Hot, 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 hot. Oh. I didn't think you wanted to be in the video. Grab a chair. Grab a chair.
I just wanted to have a taste.
Oh, okay.
What did you use to scoop it?
My hand. I didn't want to use a spoon because this is a non-stick pan.
I won't touch the bottom. Wow.
How is it?
Tastes like ostrich.
No, it doesn't.
Tastes
Oh
like
yeah.
a normal egg.
It tastes like a normal egg, guys. It does. It really does. It's a lot of egg whites, man. Ah, it's hot.
This one, here you go.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
This is non-stick.
Ooh. Don't you hate it when you have all the good ideas? He said that to me the other day. How did you say it?
Sometimes I get tired of having good ideas.
Oh, there you go. I was like, wow. So good. Avocado on toast is so good.
That's probably like the best part. The egg is just like...
The egg is just egg.
Wow, that's only one avocado?
Are you excited for next week, babe? I haven't told them yet.
It's a secret.
It's a secret.
It's a surprise.
They can find out on Instagram.
There you go.
They're gonna be like, no.
Follow me on Instagram to find out the surprise.
So funny. Well, they already know that we go away every year for my birthday, so.
That's a huge egg.
It is, isn't it? And I just had my juice, so I'm like still full. But I figured I have to do this because it's been sitting there for 5 days. And it's good for like 2 weeks.
Mm-hmm.
So. You know what this would be really good with? Super spicy papaya salad. Aww. I miss papaya salad. I miss good papaya salad. Anyway. We'll go finish this. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Stop. So guys, okay, so we're just, I'm like so full. I'm so full, but I need something sweet after all that egg. So we're gonna have some cherries. We got from, well, he got from the market. Okanagan cherry.
Rainier cherries.
Oh, there we go. Oh, so good. And we wanted to come and tell you where we're going because I know it's not fair to just leave you guys hanging like that. But we're going to Mexico for my birthday. It's not the traditional trip, but hey, I'll take Mexico anytime. All inclusive. Don't have to worry about nothing.
Yeah. All you can eat, all you can drink.
Drink? I know you're looking forward to that.
Mm-hmm. It's my favorite.
He's not a big drinker, for those of you who do not know. Actually, I've never talked about that, but now you know. Yeah, he's not a big drinker. Well, he is, but he's just not a very big hangover kind of person.
I get a big hangover.
Yeah. So to him,
Usually not worth it.
it's not worth it. That's all.
That's all. I could stand here and keep eating cherries all day.
I know they're so good.
If you ever get a chance, get the blonde Rainier cherries.
Those are his favorite.
Wasn't focusing.
That's all right. Anyway, so not sure if I'll have another video for you guys before we leave. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. We'll go with the flow. Okay, that's all. Oh, I'm full. But they're so addicting.
Oh, I know. I haven't even had breakfast yet. I've had like
Wow.
too many.
I think these are better than the red ones.
Oh, way better.
They're
I think I
so
got the family size. It was like $35 for those.
so crunchy. $35? Wow.
I know. Because I got the biggest size, the family size.
Worth it though.
Yeah, they're delicious.
Yeah, I could keep eating these until my stomach explodes.